In this video we will see how we can use Next head to change our head element in our application. So as you know, we have our application running on the localhost 3000. You can run it on your device as well. And I will open up my editor and go from here to see, also show you where is that head element coming from. So as you see in our index.tsx file, we have our head element. But if we go to about page, we don't have anything. As you see here, it just shows us the localhost 3000 about. But in here we have our create next app. So what I will do, I will just get this head element and put it inside to the component so we can directly use it. Or we can directly copy paste this head element for much more dynamically, and we can add our title, metadata, and all of the application required things. Also the link, as you see, it has a link here with the image asset, so we can use it like that. So let's call it learning Next.js, and we will see the title has been changed to learning Next.js. If you want to see also the metadata here, you can come up here. Also you can come to application elements. You can search for meta, and in here we see all of the meta description is here generated by create next app. As you see, it is just here. So I will change that, learn Next.js by examples tutorial. So as you see, it dynamically changed here, learn Next.js by examples tutorial. And so when someone make your a Google search or any another search, metadata descriptions directly come up there, and you can use it like this. So let's go to our blog page here, about page here, and in the about, as you see, we don't have anything. It's just localhost 3000. We want to change that, and if we go to about page and the about index.tsx, we can add our head element here. We need to wrap all of these components into a one. So we can add a fragment here, and we can close it down below. So let's fix the indents, and as you see, learn Next.js, and we can call it about. And we can learn Next.js by examples about page into the description, and our favorite icon is directly there. So let's go, is it working as we expected? Yes, learning Next.js about. So let's change this Next.js into the capital as well in both places. Learning Next.js and about. Very nice. If we go to our home page, it directly show up learning Next.js. So we know how to use our metadata and our titles in the head elements, and we can use it like this in any places. If you want to make a component directly with the head element, you can do it by opening a component here, also creating the head, and here you can say index.tsx, and we can just get this one and const head component equals, it returns our head element. So we can add our props here as a title and metadata, and we need to add these head component props types as a type, head component props type, and that is equals title to string, also metadata to string, and we can use that here directly like this, and we can replace this with title, and also the metadata here we can replace it with the metadata. Now we can export default head component. Let's go to our index page now, and we can use head component, and it directly asks us to add title as a learn Next.js, and the metadata learn Next.js by tutorials. As you see, yeah, learn Next.js is there, and also if we go to our meta in the head element, learn Next.js by tutorials. You can do it in the both ways. Either you can create your head component like this, or directly use the head itself by copy paste to another pages. It's up to you. And if you don't want to repeat this favorite icon, or if you want to add some another metadata here as meta name, and it will like different metadata you want to use in your application, you can directly do it there. So it is up to you to use cases, but this is it so far. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you have a nice day.